I often asked why measurement utility have EIQ, image enhancement, and denoise for every instance. Layer/EIQ and measurement as separated entities? The simplest answer that every step of the flow have different tasks, and for some cases will require different image processing. Here is a good example: RGB LED size estimation. No SW of OEM manufacturers are capable not just measure, but perform even stable pattern recognition. Measurement utility, due to high versatility for EIQ/denoise for every step of the flow capable to handle this task. For stable pattern recognition, we need to use EIQ and denoise filters directly reducing image resolution to enhance differences in gray levels. For measurement, we need to employ different techniques, suppressing multiple edges of the LED itself. It's worth to mention that after stable pattern recognition with associated PR, EIQ/denoise, for each LED, red, blue, green, we could tailor EIQ/denoise parameters locally. As you could see, red and blue parameters are quite suitable for rough estimation of the LED size. Parameters for green LED could be improved. In some instances, we have edge misplacement for some random small angles. Enjoy and share. Thank you.